Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So I'm finally sharing my 2021 journal, and this is how I started it off. I used a pencil and I had my dotted journal book, and I simply just started off with a cover page for 2021 and just colouring in with felt tips that I just had. I actually used the kids' felt tips, to be honest. I think I need to order some of my own, which will be really helpful. So doing a really simple flower design, just doodles really to make it more attractive. Don't forget guys to subscribe and like my channel. So I'm creating a goals 2021 page as well. I absolutely love doing this, where I list all the goals that I want to achieve, whether that's spiritually or social media, work related, home related. And here I'm using up the next 4 pages to do a yearly calendar, so 3 months on each page, and I'm going to number them 1 to 30 or 31 or even 28 for February. I actually did make a mistake here. And very simple design layout where I just use the first 3 letters of each month to list them. You could add Monday, Tuesday if you like, but I didn't. And I am shading in all the weekends, so I went through the whole calendar and shaded in the weekends as well, so they stand out a bit more. This is really helpful, and you can just list your birthdays or special events or important dates here. Now I am doing a weight tracker. I really want to lose some weight this year, so I thought I would do this page here. I'm going to first create a box, which is my starting weight, and then carry that over throughout the year. And I have actually added in a date as well, so I can put the dates underneath the amount, the weight amount. And silly me, I'm still not used to the 2021 actually. But anyhow, this is my weekly spread that I'm now doing for this week, and I'm just creating simple boxes: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, where I'm just going to note down each of the things I need to do or have on the agenda for that day. A really simple layout. I'll probably be doing some more complex layouts for the rest of the month, and I'm just adding in the days here, and that is it. It's really simple. I also added a little box for the notes, in case I want to do any to-do list or things I need to do. And that is it. So here is my 2021 journal startup.